dog's eating his tail.
Happy Easter, Kyle.
Happy Easter.
Tell Grandma and Grandpa and Great Grandma Happy Easter.
And everyone else.
And everybody else. Happy Easter! Check out my bunny, he says, and my carrot. Smile! Happy Easter, everybody. Hope you have a good day.